Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look and listen to all the available notification sounds on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So first, to get to this screen, I'm going to tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down on the top and tap on settings. In settings, we go into sounds and vibration, then tap on notification sound, then tap on a SIM card, and I will start from the top down. Alright, so that is all the notification sound that you'll be able to choose from the list here, unless you decide to install some of the custom notification sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.